Hi everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Finance with Nick. Now for today's video, we're going to be going over fractional shares on Webull. Now initially I had a hard time trying to figure out how to buy fractional shares on Webull. So I just wanted to make this quick video so it's a very simple process for you. Now cryptocurrency is new to Webull. They only have a handful, I believe it's 14, I could be wrong. They only have a handful of cryptocurrencies that you can go out and purchase. But a lot of them are a little out of my price range, and I don't know if they're out of your price range. I don't want to make any assumptions, but so buying fractional shares, there is a lower entry cost. So you can buy whatever amount that you're comfortable with. All right, now the first thing with cryptocurrency on Webull, you do need to file an application and then get approved. I did cover this in a video before. It did say 24 hours, but it was actually insanely fast. You can do it the same day. I don't know if my experience was different than others, but maybe because it's getting more popular, it might take a little bit longer. But for me, it was really fast. All right, and then once you're approved, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna go to Webull itself, and then you're gonna type in Bitcoin. And then you can see Bitcoin being currently traded. Now also keep this in mind, like cryptocurrency, it gets traded 24 hours a day. It's not like the stock market, so you can buy it whenever. And then what you're gonna do is go to the bottom and click trade. And then there's two different things that you could do. You could start out with 0 and then just press the up button. And then you'll start to see that there's fractional shares that can be bought. That's the first way. It's a little confusing because you have a dollar amount in mind and you don't really know the fractional share that you need to buy. So the second way that you can do it is you see the amount in BTC, you can click that and then it goes to USD, which once it goes to USD, you can type in the amount of money that you want to buy and then it'll automatically make, as you can see, estimated in BTC at the bottom, it'll automatically tell you how much Bitcoin you are willing to buy. Not that you're willing to buy, that money will get you to buy. Now there is a little disclaimer here, kind of explaining the order execution process. So it does say that your limit buy order will only be executed if the limit price exceeds the ask price. The entry point is usually the ask price. Okay, so look at the ask price first. Make sure you're comfortable with that entry point, and then go on from there. It is not the average. So what it's saying is there's the bid and then there's the ask and then the average is what you see on Webull as the price, but the ask is always higher. So it has to pass that ask point. So your order will not be filled until the ask point is reached. So for me, it was pretty simple to buy. It's just my entry points weren't what I thought they were going to be, but buying fractional shares, it's kind of the name of the game. All right, now I thought that was pretty cool. It took me a minute to figure that portion out, so I just wanted to make a quick educational video to show you how to do it and how easily it can be done. And you could even buy $5 worth. You can buy $10 worth. All right, and that is all I got for today's video. Now, if you liked this video and you saw value in it, make sure to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Peace.